Already, o man hene kwabna sante, ma mechira diamond so aje won mo adwadada. Badwam na na yasha ase ne de bonkrata na ye crowd so na online stories no so aye crowd aye de ebremo. Enti no Saturday ma me nuanom papa bi me ma mo ache.
Ye nua.
Enti ye nua obeka na won se kromo na aye hye wo ye de aye hye.
O ka kromo aye hye no na ayi
me be me kromo aye hye na nse ankasa ye tia wa onye so. Onya de papa.
Ready mewu.
Enye kromo aye hye.
Oh wow.
Ayi bi aye Adom TV ebo. Esifi kwame nkroma peso efi colonial era ewiase nyemre da
ade no pemene atwa bom da
enye kroma ayesiasem
wow
entia de etia wa ageso
oni pepe wa say ya
enye nipa epe wa
oni pepe wa say ya
enye o my so ni enko
ye ma ji so eburu e sempo
eburu no me de ma
ya tie obi adope mama ka say yeah baby e we dey show to mi ni baby a so butu yeah hide the kokomlemle hide insurance jema tokesi pa driver for munya mfifie mofra no so munya mfifie ajubai for munya mfifie no meaning baby a obat o car no o tire ni brakes no o wiper ne o side mirrors no bibia misrewa sabri ko de ehun hia yi pa titu trotro driver for the taxi driver so e betua sika na de bia adamo se ye to petrol mu ye tua sika so atena hye mu so na enyunugu ye so ntimi ko officer medu na enyuna for matade nyina ye be two sands or cars and sin to aba be mo na ma da so ji sika no titu matan ko da so ma this anko for cars e gua yes e ba na ni ma say kickboxer no ye be two mususa ye wo so no fi say wa fa ho adi ana o je 2 series 3 series ye tra kan ma na hu nyina for say chon e ye ode ugusu ji sika no ye be two susa
esa sakas ni nyina ye yi fi
bibia na mo de ma fa mo adi na akoya wo susu ye ka say echina wo se nekra mu driver for ko mu isimu ye press conference mu sha hodo nyina dodo na adwene gare nam kwa so
etim sesi age hospital
sha hodo a ye de ko ba nyina dodo na adwene ga eti wo de wo no wo de kotete kire odi na ye de obeye ye betu mu so sa one after the other is it I am a finti obi ani abeda ho ye tu mu so sa one after the other mabenda maulias na menda press la Vodafone ase benda akwasi nsia ne ho ahom te chen obi a me na nase akwasi wo ho ahemachia no afro o da yi die na akwasi manda yi die na wo beti ba ya bo
o beti mi hwe
na wo na wo buza se manda yi wo die na wo ba ya wo mu no ye nyina atwifa ebo etimi me hye me kwa da se me Adom ebi yesi a ho ye cold pa me dem me yesi ya
na wana so kwasi wo yesi ya okay onu ba bia
yes
dem kra
me dem tiase na omahe cars for ne de no e yo bi na ama omo sa kwanya no what you say why the man roadworthy what you say why the register man no why the hese shen sequence do you know o ne shen de be adwuma didi but ense sequence so eno so yo bi adwuma
okay
so enti ene ye tusa na ye tusa ne fa ho so bi
okay Jacob Anaba mamenchi awa no pay e be din koma ba acheche for me usen krata bibiri de manima ye be kin kama but quickly when the kan kra men kan ma from the Ministry of Finance this is krata omde ababonti for immediate release. Government commencing engagement with the International Monetary Fund Accra and then Monday na enwa da itwemu or say subsequent to the directive by the President of the Republic of Ghana His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the Ministry of Finance hereby announces the commencement of engagement with the International Monetary Fund, IMF, or the fund to support Ghana's economic program. Pursuant to this, a delegation from the fund is scheduled to arrive in Accra on Tuesday, 5th July 2022, to commence in-person meetings with the government of Ghana on Wednesday, 6th July 2022. The ministry further takes this opportunity to ensure Ghanaians of the government's commitment to successfully negotiate a program with the IMF in the coming months in support of Ghana's economic recovery, and is issued by the Public Relations Unit, Ministry of Finance. The one number issue said to the idea, Ubiabe Janiakote, into Piaro, no, ono adu when Baba Jis and Kratavi, say Echo ye dia Piaro no Cano, ono EU share Chirono, into one Abedica Kratavi, thereby, and that's it. Public Relations Unit, Ministry of Finance, and the Masipi, and the Krataviaba. Another release here, joint press conference by the leadership of NAT, NAGRAT, CCT, and TEU and awfo nyina muntie eba say dia amanyo sem no me hwehwensi from kra because oye owofo and oye hwetofo o hwe obi de hye o hwe obi ba akwada bia afa no netia you understand that this time a teacher for no person mutu sa na mo we no e chew panin kutudwe na say because enye funny. My only disappointment is that teacher for no almost gina chiri mo ye serious press conference like this him say dem ka na wunya mo de ye jamahye as if say mo da say mo kona Ghana nhwe from Ghana boy ebogu nyina so Ghana eboa ebogu nyina so in as much as hey nyina no we only have one Ghana and we understand perfectly the teacher for o ma sitinem o ma katua won say obi a ndi chim but mo ma hwe yi so say ese bia ye twan anamon bia ye tu no ehun susanso no enko Yugoslavia ana enko Czechoslovakia enko India san susanso na nyina ebeba ya nkase so ye wie ne esesi pono ye kase ntimi develop a entina de bia kan ye ne contribute to ma Ghana ejina ba bia ejina ana se be ko no mesese eko itibisre a teacher for not to slight you akatua won sem kwa de medical ka o man your salary disparities no structure na akatua no gaps na did that demu ebi mu di entem ano she too much e de bre e de yaudi e de abufu na eba ni nyina mu no ye be koso asre teacher for key to the development of any nation ye be koso asre a teacher for say senka bibi wo ho a mo betimi aye na nka mama sa kuruwa we apare ye bre ti se titru mo frani bi so be tro so we yesre say omo hwe na omo ntu sa na mo ne man na a teacher for mo de da na jama boni osebo no mo hunu say Ghana ihwehwensi forma enye kurubia na ihwehwensi no ane Ghana. Management of the Ghana Education Service has read from the media that the various unions in the pre-tertiary education sector have declared withdrawal of their services with immediate effect. Management has since invited the leadership of the unions to a meeting to discuss the development and the way forward. Heads of senior high schools have been directed through the regional and district directors to mobilize their management teams to ensure the safety and well-being of all students in schools. Meanwhile, parents are advised to remain calm and be assured that management is closely monitoring the situation and will advise on the way forward accordingly. Regional and district directors have further been directed to ensure that basic school heads keep schools open and closely supervise all children who report to school, pending further directives from management of GES. And it's signed Cassandra and Ninsasha Sakrat, Head of Public Relations Unit. And this one, Ghana TVET Service, is a press release. TVET schools not affected by the ongoing strike by teacher unions. The attention of the Ghana TVET Service has been drawn to a declared strike action by some teacher union today, 4 July 2022. Teaching and non-teaching staff of the Ghana TVET Service are not part of the declared strike action and continue to remain at post to provide quality skills and training to the Ghanaian child. Issued by management of Ghana TVET Service. It is able to be a episode in the show. I'm trying to block. National Labour Commission, so the Krataba, and they've copied the needed authorities in the matter of declaration of strike by the leadership of teacher unions, NAT, NAGRAT, TEU, and CCT Ghana. The teacher unions mentioned above have, in a joint press conference held on Monday, 4th July 2022, announced the declaration of strike with immediate effect. The declaration of the strike, according to the statement, is due to what they describe as government's failure to grant them 20% cost of living allowance in the face of the current high level of inflation, increases in prices of goods and services. You are hereby requested to engage the aggrieved teacher unions immediately upon receipt of this correspondence to negotiate settlement of their grievances within 7 days and furnish the Commission with a report upon completion. With this intervention, we urge the teacher unions to rescind the decision and discontinue the strike action to pave way for the process of engagement. By copies of this letter, the teacher unions, NAT, NAGRA, TEU, CCT Ghana, are accordingly advised. And is signed, Honorable Fuswam Asma, Executive Secretary, and also Nensa Eshesa. And I'm wondering why a bribia dietna sia twentwem and neoma twentwem from we are near Trocrata ultimatum 7 days. Na mo hu se mo so mo ne responsible unions near associations na aiding kita. These are last minute crowd John movement ne political intricacies ni na is not helpful. Jacob Machia pom ti say.
Oh, nyame Adom ye ho ye oba.
Ah, me da say. Jacob kasa say that say bibia di adanse say Labour Commission for krata omo dia bay. Mo go back to the classroom, 7-day ultimatum, report back to Labour Commission. There is no strike. Cola, you'll be met halfway. Say, yeah, Jacob, Anna.
Okay.
Say, come on, me say, what was the Labour Commission for the Krataba Bonting?
My home be this our media, social media, so.
Who no social media?
That's right.
And all can kind of sit in the room.
It's the Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations. I'm only international share. Then I best of it. But meanwhile, you go back to the classroom. That's no matter.
And to go back to the classroom. Because we don't 7-day. There be only 7-day ultimatum, which is very urgent. Very, very urgent. I'm going to trust it quickly. No one solves our problem in free.
And I said, I'm going to transit. You're not transit. This is a transit answer. Now, the employment minister need to answer. Maybe who say be go back and I ain't go back.
Now, call and come over. Shall say, baby.
Omahini, me share with you for. Still last year November mo. Time I who say near my boy el costro. And early this year, petrol boss costro papa and inflation. Lina costro. Yeah, started holding a press conference as at last year November. This year, early this year, so yeah. Now May Day, you call parade at Independent Square, and then the Secretary General of TUC, a boss who said, a best said, a government in ma a 20% of cola. That day, now the President, His Excellency, not Hobby, his Vice President, not Woho. The Minister for Finance, no Nusu. Oh man, country. 1 month after that, and I made holy press conference. I was that classroom. I make her say, "Yeah, mom, just 1 month or 1 year, we'll go on strike by the end of this month. Last month, June. Yeah, regional secretariats, holy press conference. The whole country, every region." Last one, we Greater Accra. Omahini, Minister Bian Freye, Oman country, even the Ghana Education Service. Omuti said by the end of June, we were going to lay down our tools. Obiati, Obian Freye, just a day, 3 days after June 30th, and the Minister of Employment, extra letter say Yemra, Yembesha or more of it all. And I say because the time has elapsed. The ultimatum, we have reached it. Ain't I know if a press conference yearly too soon. Ain't it started
so as it stands now, no. DNT na ama ba twetwe ne ho a bese sabre ya. Omo de nchiremu bi abremu ana.
This disrespect for the teacher is becoming too much. We don't know the reason. Obia my reason here. Nti nim yentia. Obia mfreye up to now.
Yeah, called by the Labour Commission for Nakana. Mobajia to the Employment Ministry Zubekana.
Oh, of course. We are open for discussions. There, near here, we said we want 20% cola for our members because our members are suffering. In some countries, they have cushioned their workers long ago. They cushioned them long ago. And already, the salaries are not good. Sikana teacher for the coffee, and cry. So with this level of inflation, almost more than 30% now, because June, and then the prices of fuel, everything almost increasing day in, day out. Something must be done for the worker.
Well, na 20% they say oh share and yes akodwa to IMF so mo enso asi mo 20 December say mo hwihwan ye si form prekope.
Oh, there be me engine this sir, because the kind of age, you know, and if you calculate 20%, it's not nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. Technically.
I see. But era na wadaroma, someone said the time in so amode tie at the expense of yen awofo ne Ghana for the share ne more teacher for na bi because me say mo do na akra nya mo de. Say sa na mo ntu we ekoso. Nti dia na nka motimi aya ma obi ne kan adjustment kakra bi motimi adjust mo ho ama ye ma no ho hare omo na afi mo back to negotiation table no na nka motimi akodi sa nkom bibisa enka mo nhihye no
en American yeah say yeah do a preparation because just start at obi amfra yes a bu na mo mu yen oh baby adu ama teacher for no buafu ya bobo ya cancel ya ka obi amfra nti baby adu there unless they meet us and we have a discussion.
I see.
For them to meet our needs, yes.
Na TVET acheche for no muso ka ho ana.
Yes, omo ka ho.
Omo ka ho. Debi, na so omo ka ho. Debi area naba. Maybe you are not on top of mo ankasa mo twi amate. Ma make kan.
They are part of it.
No, but make catch your Ghana TVET service. Omo see. Wadaro man pacho tie. TVET schools not affected by the ongoing strike by teacher unions. The attention of the Ghana TVET service has been drawn to a declared strike action by some teacher unions today. Teaching and non-teaching staff of the Ghana TVET service are not part of the declared strike action and continue to remain at post to provide quality skills and training to the Ghanaian child. Indeed, clearly, I don't know what
can say? Unions we pre-tertiary education. Pre-tertiary.
Yep.
Yes. So any teacher or non-teaching service who belongs to any of the union is part of it, and that is pre-tertiary. They can't make that assumption. Say TVET, they do not belong to the unions. They belong. Some may not. And that one, it is your right. You have the right to belong to a union or not. No one can force you. But if you have an issue, then you solve it your own way.
So
they can't put all of them together and say do not belong to the union. Some may not. Which we will not begrudge. Yeah.
Jacob Anaba, Vice President Nagrat. What is your prescription on the table for government?
We are waiting for government to invite us. We will go to the table and have a discussion with them.
Until then,
yes.
Hey.
We have said that it is indefinite until we have a resolution to the issues we have raised.
Hey.
And it's just one item, so.
Hey. Let us say, yeah, man, definitely, the Yamia Memo, and that's only a corner paper.
What to urge is that you also put pressure on government.
I'll put pressure.
Because
we'll put
the
pressure.
Disrespect is too much.
I'm sure I agree. And yet there must say from last year, basically, Mastra Bayabo Pruma Abayanye Moso. So about a Guyana or cha. I be afraid I buy who sees in a way pay. It is 7-day ultimatum. Major say employment ministry no ebe intempani modin komo. Na mati ase. Na mo so ba mo nkoye chinchin say 20% cola. Because what I say is nothing to write home about, One here and also the man so can say pa beba. It mestre. Mon consider the time that we find ourselves in as a country, as a people. Moma exhibit those qualities of patriotism, love for your country. Edu sabrea a little bit of sacrifice. Ebeboa. It ebe catch a little bit of respect. In a little bit, full respect for your teacher for us, a key and citizens. Into Jacob Mesrel, Mijidi said, Nene Musabe Kakrata, employment ministry me am krom de share area ba for be frɛ mu na oni modi sankita hono be GDP
yes definitely I'll move to almost half meeting no Rebecca but of course we also have to understand the situation we find ourselves in.
Very well.
The crisis as teachers.
Very well.
Yeah, seriously, teacher for bread. Oh, but my but do a whole corner teacher ni baby or shepherd.
I know.
That's a kind of
Yeah.
Mania.
The sacrifice of our
not
teachers.
Easy.
Yes.
They have been patriotic.
Yes, that's very true.
Some people they are ready to sacrifice everything for this country just for children. Every one hokra me no kasa anopai or you who say uncle class or hano. Teacher ni because he feels for the leaving the kids alone. But this is a call of destiny. We need to stand and ensure that we are also respected. We also need part of the kick.
Okasa is very encouraging this morning, and I hope the ministry is so encouraging like this. Now be a positive for the day. Thank you so much, Jacob Anaba, Vice President. Welcome. Very encouraging conversation. I'm sure I buy quickly trust it. Now, is there I don't know. To throw me no money. I don't know. Fancy me chat to my own quotation my from my life.
Mami fa quotation ma the chronicle the buy no Psalm enwom wo ti eduasa 9 tichemu du wotwe Psalm 34 verse 18 Erade ben wona wa akoma abubuo
Erade ben wona wa makoma abubuo
na oje wona won honhom apeche
na oje wona won honhom apeche
nti wo mo aje kola na won honhom apeche no
Erade beji om we ni erade asem ka say amen erawo promu ana enko baby rap up
yo ya rap up dia na happy birthday pa kese e na mede ma Mrs Rose enketia happy birthday mommy en confirm oba Esther Anjemfua Bochi ana Esther Ann or ye makeup ne mama ne birthday ai awoche Mrs Awoche it's happy birthday Mrs Rose nketia nyame hira wo mani nyina so omo dododo ene yenso ye ni je ho nti kosoa na krakra yensa nyame hira Doreen Mado enye omanti pen kra no ai Dorinando I so ewo Joy FM enne nyame e de afi ba kwa
so beautiful
50 years wow
very beautiful
nyame hira nyame nye okese no onye wa ho fese ya o man kwatenten Empire ni say.
On our locals over 21.
So cute. It's Mado, Yamishra. And no beauty na would be ano, Yamishramo. Tiahana Berma Quine, na pensem, peppers no, any idea, any interview, ye, Yadibesi, ye, quay, dear, and a good deal more, and some Erica said, Woody, I a crado, and it was so, or we a pet, as if it's some so, a ho, pensem, mo beba, and tea, no mum, ye were chill ho, ever saba.